Hey guys, Alan with the Grilling Network. Welcome. Today on tap, Beer Brats. We have our CampChef preheating to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's get cooking. While our grill is preheating, let's prepare our veggies. For this recipe, it's quite simple. One whole sweet onion, chop in half, and rough chop. We also need to julienne a red and green bell pepper. This is going to add a great taste to the beer brats. As our smoker was coming up to temp, I placed a 8-inch cast iron skillet inside so that it would also come up to temp. We went ahead and julienned and roughly chopped up our sweet onion. Let's go ahead and go to the next step. Make sure you use a mitt as the cast iron is quite hot. For this recipe, we're going to use a half stick of butter. As you see, it's still quite hot. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. To that we'll add the onions and the rest of the veggies. Toss it back on the smoker, let it reduce a little bit. We'll get to the next step. Off camera, I upgraded to a larger skillet. The next step is to add beer. As you see, the onions are becoming much softer, so let's add the beer. You can add any beer that you want. I'm going to add 2 bottles of beer. We'll let this come back up to temp, meaning it'll come to a light boil. And we'll add the bratwurst next. Probably wondering what I'm doing with the Coke and beer. A fond memory of mine when I was growing up in Germany was something called Motorcup. And what that is, it's about 1/3 beer and 2/3 Coke. Let's do that now. I know what you're thinking, beer and Coke, it's not gonna taste good, but if you get a good German beer and add it to the Coke, it's gonna be phenomenal. Cheers. Now it's time for the star of the show. As I mentioned, we have some beautiful beer brats that I got from the Corner Butcher in Laverne, a city nearby me. My friend John hooked me up. So what we're gonna do is add them to the beer bath that we have here. This process takes anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. The idea is to submerge the brats in the bath after about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll flip it over, let it go for another 10 minutes, and we'll get to the next step. Through the magic of YouTube, it's been 10 minutes. Time to flip our brats. As you see, the beer is starting to boil, or it's probably been boiling. The colors of the skin and the brats will turn to a white. Starting to smell very good. You can smell the aroma of the garlic and the onions coming through, and the light smoke is going to add to the flavor of these brats. Close this up, let it go for another 10 minutes, and we'll get to the next step. It's been another 10 minutes. The brats are done, but we're going to do another step, and that is add color to them. Let's remove the pan. Set them aside. To add color to these beautiful brats, toss them back on the grill that's already been preheated. Let them go for another 5 minutes, turn them, another 5 minutes, and they'll be done. It's time to pull these brats off. Look at the color, that's what we're looking for. Place it back in the beer broth real quick. Close this up. Just grab yourself a little hoagie. Put some spicy brown mustard in. Grab your beer brat. Man, this smells phenomenal. Grab some of the onions and bell peppers. And that's what I'm talking about. A fabulous beer brat. Let's give this a taste test. Wow, that tasted absolutely phenomenal. If you want to impress your friends with an easy recipe, make sure you give this one a try. They won't be disappointed. We will be doing another video coming up soon on how we make these sausages. We'll be stopping by our friends at the Corner Butcher. They'll be showing me how they make them. Make sure you guys check that out. I want to thank CampChef and the Corner Butcher for making this possible, and for you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys thumbs up the video, leave comments below. Make sure you guys try the beer cola. See you in the next one.